Hello everyone, this is M. Milton Joe. In this video, we are going to discuss about Scopus Journals Removed List February 2021 or Scopus Discontinued List February 2021. So recently, Scopus has released its Discontinued Source List February 2021. So in the recent list, that is February 2021 list, so far 18 journals have been discontinued from Scopus coverage recently. So what are the journals have been removed? So what are those 18 journals? So we are going to see one by one. So before getting to the topic, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it and click the bell symbol so that you will get the latest updates. Now let us get into the topic. So first we have to open the Google Chrome. Just to open Google Chrome. So in Google Chrome, just type Scopus title list. So here you can find the first link, and this is the official website of Scopus. So just you can click it. So just scroll down. So at the bottom you can find discontinued sources from Scopus. So this list consists of the journal list which are discontinued from Scopus. So just download it and open it. So you will find an Excel file like this. So here you can find status February 2021. So this is the recent discontinued source list from Scopus February 2021. So here you can find the journal name and ISN number details and publisher and the reason for discontinuation, and here at the last you can find the final Scopus coverage, that is which year, volume number, issue number and page ranges that is covered in Scopus. So the list totally consists of, just scroll down you can find. So list consists of 665 entries. So you see here the first one and the second one are not representing any journal names. So we have to subtract it by 2. So totally 663 journals have been removed from Scopus so far. However, in the recent February 2021 list, 18 journals have been discontinued from Scopus, and those journals are highlighted in orange color. Just read it. Newly added titles, that means recently discontinued journal list from Scopus, are highlighted in orange color. So what are those 18 journals? We are going to see one by one. So just go to the top and just scroll down and we can find the journal name one by one. Yes, here you can find the first journal, Annals of Tropical Medicine and Public Health. So the reason for a discontinuation is publication concerns, and here you can find the final coverage details are not given for the particular journal. So that means if you wish to know the final coverage details, so we have to contact Scopus support team to get the details. So now let us see another journal. Just scroll down. Here we can find the next journal, Clay Research. The reason for discontinuation is do not meet Scopus criteria and the final coverage details are given. The last coverage year is 2020, volume number 39, issue number 1 and the page range is 31 to 43. So the research articles which are published after these coverage details will not be included in Scopus. Just scroll down to find the next journal. So here we can find Elementary Education Online. The reason for discontinuation is publication concerns. The final coverage year 2021, volume number 20, issue number 1 and the page ranges are given here. So just scroll down. Here we can find another journal, Entrepreneurship and Sustainability Issues. The reason for discontinuation is publication concerns and the final coverage details are not given, and if we wish to know the final coverage, so we have to contact the Scopus support team. So just scroll down to find the next journal, and here we can find European Journal of Molecular and Clinical Medicine. The reason for discontinuation is publication concerns and the final coverage details are not given. If you wish to know, we have to contact the Scopus support team. So just scroll down for the next journal. International Journal of Advanced Research in Engineering and Technology. The reason for discontinuation is publication concerns, and the final coverage year 2020, volume number 11, issue number 6, and the page ranges are given here. So just scroll down to find the next journal. International Journal of Engineering Research and Technology. The reason for discontinuation is publication concerns, and the final coverage details are not given for the particular journal. If you wish to know, we have to contact the Scopus support team. So just scroll down for the next journal, and here we can find International Journal of Management. The reason is publication concerns, and the final coverage year 2020, volume number 11, issue number 6, and the page ranges are given here. So just scroll down to find the next journal. Here we can find International Journal of Pharmaceutical Research. The reason for discontinuation is publication concerns, and the final coverage details are given, and the year is 2021, volume number 13, issue number 1, and the page ranges are not applicable. If you wish to know the exact page range, we have to contact Scopus support team. So I just scroll down. International Journal of Research in Pharmaceutical Sciences. The reason for discontinuation is publication concerns, and the final coverage year 2020, volume number 11, issue number special issue 3, and the page ranges are given here. So let us go ahead with the next journal. Just scroll down, and here we will find another journal. So here is the another journal, Journal of Global Pharma Technology. The reason is publication concerns, and the final coverage year, volume number, issue number, and page ranges are not given. So we have to contact Scopus team to get the details. So just scroll down to find the next journal. So here we can find the another journal, Journal of Security and Sustainability Issues. The reason is publication concerns, and the final coverage details are not given. And here we can find another journal, so Journal of the Faculty of Agriculture. The reason for discontinuation is radar, and the final coverage details are not given. So just scroll down to find the next journal. Yeah, here we can find another journal. Just to go through it, and the reason is publication concerns, and the final coverage details are given here. Just you can go through it. Once you have download this Excel file, you can go through it one by one. So just scroll down to find the next journal. So here we can find another journal, Revised Study Chemie. The reason for discontinuation is publication concerns, and the final coverage year 2020, volume number 71, issue number 11, and the page ranges are given here. So just scroll down. Here we can find another journal, Science for Education Today. The reason for discontinuation is radar, and the final coverage details are not given. So we have to contact Scopus support team to get the details. So another journal, Systematic Reviews in Pharmacy. The reason for discontinuation is publication concerns. So the final coverage year 2020, volume number 11, issue number 12, and the page ranges are given here. So just to scroll down to find the another journal, you can find the last journal over here. Journal name is given here. The reason is radar, and the final coverage details are not given. So here we have reached the end. So in the Scopus discontinued or Scopus journals removed list February 2021, 18 journals have been removed from Scopus, and that is added into the Scopus discontinued journal list. And those 18 journals we have seen one by one, and the reason for discontinuation, and the publisher name details, and the final Scopus coverage content details also we have seen. So these journals are no more indexed by Scopus. Right now these journals are not indexed by Scopus. When you publish your research paper, you have to be very careful. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video or the information provided in this video is very much useful to you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell symbol and share the video with your friends and colleagues so that everyone will get benefited. Very soon I will meet you in another video with another concept. Thank you very much for watching.